So this is the first kind of snow of the season. It's definitely snowing. It's kind of like sleet, I guess you can say. It's kind of hard to see it on camera, but wow, I can sure see it in person. So yeah, it is not exactly something that I like at all. So this is my backyard, by the way. There's our little shed and all the leaves that fell from our trees on the grass. There's Bella enjoying the snow. And where's Brooklyn? Where's Brooklyn? Oh, there's Brooklyn. Here she is. She doesn't have her coat on. I usually put her coat on when it's this cold. It is very cold. And I'm out here with just a sweatshirt on and some sweatpants. So that's about it. Just wanted you to see the first snow of the season. Okay, so here I am outside and you can see definitely the snow falling now. So this is the first snow of the season, and I already recorded a little bit earlier, but you couldn't really see the snow then, but you can definitely see it now. So if it's gonna stick, I'm not sure. Looks like it might be sticking a little bit to the ground, but not too sure. But yeah, there it is. First snow of the season, and it is November. Oh boy, I don't know the date. Do you know the date, Nicole? Oh, Nicole's not even there. But yes, that is the first snow of the season, and as soon as I find out the date, I will add that in here.